This is the Adidas Lg2 Spzl in the bottle green colorway. Do you know what the LG stands for? Well, do you know who this bloke is?
I think Liam would make a good Prime Minister, without doubt, but too good looking for it. It's for ugly.
Yes, the LG stands for Liam Gallagher, and these are the fully endorsed by the man himself. And Liam had a lot of input into the design of these trainers. The Lg2 Spzl first released in 2022, and the Adidas dated the design with the Adidas bottle green colorway and released these on the 8th of September 2023. But before we go into the detail on this lovely specimen, let me bring you up to speed on this iconic trainer. The now soloist, Liam Gallagher, first collaborated with the Three Stripes in 2019 with the help of Gary Aston.
Ah, the bad boys. The bad boys. That is f***ing smart though, isn't it, man?
This was a strong collab with the Adidas sneakers being sold out in the first 10 minutes and was reselling straight away for 3 times its price. If you're a sneaker fan, you know this is a nonsense. It's the worst thing you can have. You want something and it's sold out, and then the resellers have got it. Fast forward to now, and the Lg2 Spzl, go back a little bit to 2022. This is where the hybrid collab silhouette came out in the first place. Liam was heavily involved with this silhouette, from picking the base, which was from the Barrington line, and mixing it up with the Barrington Smash. Okay, now let's fast forward back to 2023. This is one, I beg, Future. You know what to say.
Sensational.
Sneaker from Adidas stable. Priced at £140 in the UK. The look is classic, but in keeping with today's world. Materials are true to the Barrington and the Barrington Smash. Trainer with the upper predominantly nylon and suede, and on the rear heel you've got that lovely suede there as well. And on the front toe box you've got that unique, or the signature, front suede toe box. The suede front toe box was Liam's idea. Adidas suggested the front toe box having that little strip on the front to keep him with the Barrington-esque theme. Adidas added the image of Liam on the tongue, which has been done before on the Stan Smiths, on the Nastasi, I think that's how you pronounce it, and the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar trainers. I'm not a fan of this so much, or I'm not such a fan that I want an image of the collaborator on the trainer, but it might make sense for the collectors. Inside you will find the insole is littered with the brand, and also with Liam Gallagher's name, that's all over the insole. And then this word Fußbett, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but can anyone tell me what's the reason for Fußbett being on the insole? Let me know in the comments below. The stripes are suede in the bottle green color, and the heel with the logo is also bottle green. I like the suede on the stripes, it's really nice. But again, this logo, I tried to look into it, but I don't understand the meaning of this logo. So again, if you do know, let me know what the reason for this slight change of logo, if it's to do with the handball or is it dedicated to Liam Gallagher, I don't know. Couldn't find that out. Midsole is EVA, and the outsole and guard wraparound is a gum rubber colorway. Take it away, Future. You know what this is.
Sensational.
3 details I absolutely love about these trainers. Now, 1, the suede toe box, which wraps around differently on both sides. I like how the inner side finishes just in the middle part, or the middle stripe of the 3 stripes. I think that's a cool look. 2, the bottle green stripe, which are suede and detail, is absolute. Totally adds a dimension, or totally adds dimensions to the sneaker. 3, finally the gum sole I'm not sure why gum sole just does it for me, but I just love a good gum sole. And on the front toe guard, as well as on the outsole, especially that herringbone, or is it fishbone? Yeah, herringbone print, lovely. Sizing, I bought these in a size 9 and I think it would be more comfortable if you size up. I just think it's a bit cramped around the toes. If you size up, half a size up, they do half a sizes in these, I think that would be a good look or be more comfortable. Comfort wise, well, this is a solid shoe. The midsole doesn't seem like there's any cushion. However, the Spzl, if you know about the history of these trainers, they're born out of the handball sport, as well as the Barringtons were born out of the tennis. So they're quite robust and solid sneakers because of runs and stopping and starting and turning and so on. That's why I had to make it quite robust. I would akin the ride of this footwear to a sports car, you know, or a lowered car. If a sports car in full attack mode, the spring is really stiff and you get that chattering feeling. You know when you get the chattering teeth because it's so stiff and shaking you all about. Quite stiff like that. But anyway, I'm being exaggerating a little bit. But anyway, it's doable. And if you're familiar with the gazelles, sambas, etc., this should be no problem. I love these already, and I think this is one of my favorite sneakers of the year from Adidas. The straight denim companion that these are, a very smart trainer, and the beautiful look of this trainer is one of the main reasons why you should buy this if you can. Oh yeah, you do get a spare set of laces in white, and also you get the Liam Gallagher tag, which is on the right foot. They're really paying tribute to this guy, and they've kind of enshrined him in this sneaker. Anyway, if you haven't already, like, comment and subscribe. Until the next video.